Wholesome 6993 Photovoltaic drilling rig export. Type equipped with Guozhang Yukai diesel engine support. For different emission. Standards specially for deserts, complex terrains, such as the desert. Of the Gobi Plateau capable of efficient, continuous construction for 90 days without failure can accurately place some punches 30%. Increase in construction efficiencies in Xinjiang, Ningxia Zhejiang, Inner Mongolia, the Philippines, and other domestic and foreign photovoltaic projects provide all-round protection for customers. Photovoltaic entrepreneurship.